Let's talk about an evening routine. This is what we do after dinner and before bed. After dinner, many people wash the dishes. Children often do homework in the evening. They sit at their desk and study. Bathing in the evening is common. Some people use a shower, and other people use a bathtub. After the bath, many people put on pajamas. Pajamas are popular for relaxing at home. Some people watch television in the evening. Others read, talk with family, or use their phone. Brushing your teeth before bed is important. Some people get ready for the next day. They pack their bag and set their alarm. Children go to bed earlier than adults. A regular bedtime helps them sleep. Some people read a book before sleeping. It is a quiet way to help the mind relax. Many people turn off the lights when they are ready to sleep. The room becomes dark and still. Sleep is very important for our health. Most people need 7 to 8 hours each night. Doing the same things every evening makes falling asleep easier. A calm evening routine is a good way to end the day. Rest well, and tomorrow starts fresh.